Yeah, the hot water went inside the cooker. Let me give a mix. Hey guys, welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Sunday. It's somewhere 8 o'clock. So in my house, every Sunday, chicken biryani or mutton biryani will be prepared at house itself. So I don't need to go out and all. So in today's vlog, mom is preparing chicken biryani at house. And with chicken biryani, she might prepare chicken fry. So let's see how does she prepare. So let's check out what is her recipe in natti style biryani. Mom has already kept everything ready. Finely chopped onions and chilies and some paste. Everything is ready. Before starting the vlog, the chef has to come. So the chef is here. So she has got so many things from fridge. Usually she keeps everything in fridge. She has put palav leaf, chilies and finely chopped onions. Onions has to turn to golden brown, and she has bought some lemons also. Some salt and chicken will enter into the cooker now. She'll start giving a mix. Turmeric powder, bit. This paste is being completely freezed, so she is keeping it in the oven. So after preheat, this became bit viscous. Ginger garlic paste. Mom's special masala is entering into the cooker. She keeps all these things very secretly in her freezer. No one can even check there. If people check also, we can't find that masalas because there are so many masalas inside freezer. Only chef has to be there at house. Then only biryani will come out well. Homemade masala. Anni. She has put everything in that homemade masala and she has given grinded, and now she is putting that into biryani. Dhania powder. She is putting some white rice, raw rice, not boiled rice. Next ingredient is curd. I don't eat curd. See, she is using curd. From this week onwards, I'll be very careful whenever I'm eating biryani. And lemon, almost 2 lemons she'll be using, and she has kept some water also, and it is getting boiled. Hopefully she'll be using this hot water in that biryani, giving a proper mix. After curd and lemon juice went inside this, the hot water went inside the cooker. Let me give a mix. If biryani comes out well, then the credit goes to me. Because of vlog, the biryani has come out well. If biryani taste is not good, then the entire bad credit goes to mom. Usually mom will be preparing natti style biryani itself. It's very rare that mom preparing something like red biryani. Hardly like monthly, 3 months once or 4 months once, not even monthly once I can say. And dad loves something like rice has to be very sticky and soft, that type of biryani, and I love something like separate fried rice type biryani. So downside biryani it's going for dad, and on top whatever the biryani will be there, that is for me. So before giving a mix itself, mom is gonna be making it separate and putting it into the plates separately. Finally, the cooker is getting locked. Mama, biryani etlu ostinde ipodo? Chustama. She's doubt that whether biryani will come out well or not. Mummy, enni vishal ravala?
3 vishal.
Medium flame 3 vishal ante. Ready to eat after 3 vishals. Hawkins cooker. Prestige lo
2 minutes పెట్టాలా సిమ్ లో పెట్టాలా.
Prestige 2 minutes.
2 minutes సిమ్ లో పెట్టాలా.
సిమ్ లో
ఒక విజిల్ రెండు విజిల్
Keep it in less flame for 3 whistles.
ఉడుకు నీరు హాట్ వాటర్ పోస్తే ఒక విజిల్ సిమ్లో పెట్టాలా.
Okay.
ఒక 2 నిమిషాలు.
Okay.
లేదంటే ఇది మూడు ఇది.
Hope most of the people would have understood Telugu. If you're using hot water, then just 2 minutes you have to keep. Finally, it's time to open the locker. Great success! Finally, hot biryani is being served in the plate. So, let me have the first bite. Lemon also came. All the spices has been added perfectly. Rice has been slightly overcooked, I feel. Leaving that, rest of the things, everything is like great. The chicken has also been cooked well. Let me squeeze some lemon on top of this biryani. Mom has given some salad because I don't eat raita, so she has served me some salad. Early morning having biryani is like a different feel. Usually before lockdown and all, I used to go out for Sundays to have biryani. Twice I visited Hoskote, but after lockdown, as you people know, I got accident also, so I'm not in mood to go out, have food and all. Whatever I need, mom is preparing at house itself, so I eat at house, I stay at house. Once I finish my biryani, after that I'll catch you people. Breakfast is done, stomach is completely filled. I'm waiting for next work, so that is for sleep. So I'll get up in afternoon somewhere around 12:30, 1 o'clock. After that, go out with dad. Need to buy some stuff and all for house, like groceries and all. So after that, come back again, eat, sleep. Sunday will be like sleeping and eating day. From tomorrow onwards, I need to start my workout. I had taken some gap, and even due to lockdown, the gyms were completely closed. All the places gym got opened 1 week before itself. My gym, it's getting open from tomorrow. So from tomorrow onwards, I need to have a strict diet and workout. Anyhow guys, if you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. For more updates, please do subscribe. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.